After all the time I spent turning this balcony into my little studio and having such peaceful days painting here, an unexpected guest moved in. Now I have to paint quietly, trying not to disturb her nest. Can an artist and wild bird share the same tiny space and both survive? Hi, I'm Fifi, an abstract painter. Usually this balcony, my quiet painting space, where I share my process and the way I think through color and layers. But lately, I've been sharing it with a tiny bird and her nest too. Good morning, everyone. Today, honestly, was a surprise for me. I came to the balcony early in the morning, like usual, to water the plants, clean the studio, and prepare to film another day in the studio video. And once I entered the balcony, I suddenly noticed a bird flying out from one of the straw nests I had hanging here as decoration. At first, I was shocked because I completely forgot these nests were even here. I originally bought them just as decoration for the balcony because I wanted this studio to still feel warm and natural, not only an art studio. I added these nests after filming my balcony to art studio video and after finishing a couple of paintings here already. So apparently while I was painting and filming, she decided to move into the studio too. So stay tuned. I'll be sharing these studio moments and painting videos very soon. I feel this tiny studio still has many stories waiting for us here. And honestly, I think this may not be the last unexpected moments happening in this little balcony studio. I have these flowers. They didn't last long, but this is usually happen because they are not. Look. The bird is trying to come. Keep silent. It's a rare moment. Do you see it? First need to adjust to capture the scene. Need to adjust it to capture the scene. I don't know how to solve this problem. I really can't find a way. So far, it's hard to stay here. This bird is already nested here so quickly. I'll think about a solution. I'll hide now and let it come to the nest. And honestly, I didn't even realize she was already nesting there all this time. I usually film here mostly during the weekends since I leave the studio alone for the rest of the week. So I guess that probably helped her feel safe enough to settle here without me noticing. Today I took a few quick videos while she was getting in and out of the nest, but I could tell she was getting uncomfortable with me staying here too long. So today's filming plans were officially cancelled. I only filmed this short intro and the thumbnail quickly and then decided to leave the balcony and give her some quiet and space to feel safe and comfortable again. And honestly, I really don't know what to do now. I'm afraid if I keep coming here a lot, she may leave the nest, and I really don't want to feel guilty about that. But at the same time, I also don't want to leave my little studio and go back again to painting in my kitchen corner. So now I feel like we both claimed the same tiny balcony studio. I hope this type of bird adjusts to human quickly, although to be honest, I'm not really sure. But let's hope for the best. I will observe them for a while and see. It's coming. It's coming. I should hide. I should hide. I'm going inside. It's coming. I hear it and I saw it. What surprises me the most is that she even chose the place in the first place. I mean, after everything I added here, the easel, cameras, painting supplies, and especially the curtains constantly moving with the wind like you saw in my previous video. I never imagined a bird would actually feel comfortable enough to build a real nest here. It looks like I accidentally created a safer environment for wild birds than I even realized. I thought I was just building a small peaceful balcony art studio for myself, but apparently she approved the space too. So now, tell me honestly, what would you do if you were in my place?